Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the alt attribute on your product images. So this is not going to take you a ton of time, like just a couple of minutes, but let me explain to you first what alt attributes are. So basically alt attributes on images are the next thing that you want to optimize, because every content image on your site can have an invisible word or phrase that is associated with it. And that invisible text is called the alt attribute. And that's named because of how it's handled in the HTML code. So one reason this functionality exists is so that visitors who are kind of vision impaired and are using screen reader software can see what the image is about. So and it also turns out that this text can also kind of help your SEO. So it's not kind of a big deal, but so if you can't if you can do it for every image, just don't get too crazy about it. But it's just an opportunity to send Google another signal regarding what your site is about. So Google claims that by doing this will better help their image search feature better understand your images, so which consequently should improve their chances of showing up in searches. So basically, to do that, to set these attributes, just go in your products tab, your admin panel, and head over to the product page. Just take another look at the product images. Like for example, when you click on, you will see your products here. So when you click on one of your products, like I'm going to click this one right here. Okay. You're going to see your images. See, product images right here. So when you hover that with your mouse, you're going to see, you see the alt attribute right here. So click on that, you will see a box that will appear. Now you will see the image alt text here, so you can just insert the text right here. This is my text, so you feel free to easily swipe it if you want. So you have to do this, unfortunately, for every product that you have, for every product image. So I would just avoid putting the same thing for multiple images, but just be sure to keep it brief and descriptive of your product. So like I've done here in my example. If you don't have the energy to do it for every single product, because the best thing you can do is just do it for any product. But if you don't want to do it, just hire a guy that can do it for you, maybe on Fiverr or any other website. So and that's it. Like you might set let's say an initial goal of doing each of your featured images. So you can do the same exact thing for the content images, like for content pages or your blog. So on each of your content pages and blog posts, you have the ability to add images when composing the page or the post. So each of these images can have an alt attribute as well. So, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Here, how you're going to do it. Like for example, in the content, in the description, there's you're going to see a button, an image right here. Click on that, and you're going to see your image. Of course, if you don't have the image, just upload it. Just click here. Mine is already here, so I'm going to click here, and you're going to see this little screen here. The description, like as soon as you insert all the details, you can just insert all the details. Like here, you can just enter something like model 1 or 2, 3, 4, whatever of our women earrings. Okay, so again, you can just swipe this, or you can just come up with something brief, descriptive, and of course you can also set the size. I'm going to do uh, grande here, 600 per 600, and then as soon as you insert your image, it's going to, of course, now it's kind of messy, but yeah, you got the idea. Like, the description is going to start populate the alt attribute. So set your descriptive term there, and you are pretty much all set. Again, like I said, if it's not very difficult, but if you think it's going to take you a ton of time, just hire someone on Fiverr, and he's going to do it for you.